Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more gaming content. Are you tired of hearing about the same old complaints in the gaming world? The ones about games being too repetitive or lacking in content. Well, it seems like Diablo 4 players are having a different conversation altogether. Some players are actually defending Blizzard over the game's endgame content, which has been labeled as boring by some game help. These players appreciate the efforts Blizzard has put into incorporating community feedback and evolving the game system to. However, not everyone is on the same page. Some players feel that the game's endgame content is indeed lacking and that it feels repetitive and dull. They argue that there's not enough engaging content once you've reached the end game. Others are frustrated with having to create a new character each season and would rather focus on questing instead of repeating the same end game duties multiple times. One player, Exalidus, believes that Blizzard should stop trying to appease the community and instead maintain a clear vision for the game. They think that the developers should set difficulty levels, progression-ease, and boundaries, and then stick to their decisions. But then there are players who appreciate the efforts Blizzard has put in to spicing up the end game experience. They like how the developers keep things exciting by introducing new activities and challenges, or the Vessel of Hatred expansion, for example, introduced several new endgame scenarios, including the Artificer's Pit and Realm Walkers in Season 6. These additions revolve around battling waves of enemies for rewards. Some players feel that Blizzard's attempts to cater to the community have resulted in a game that's too fast-paced and lacks the methodical gameplay of earlier Diablo games. As one player put it, a game that caters to everyone ends up being a game for no one. Ouch, harsh words, but it's a sentiment that resonates with many. Another player argued that Blizzard has made a rod for its own back by trying to please everyone. They think that the community underestimates how much of what they complain about was instituted because they asked for it. So what's the verdict? Is Diablo 4's endgame content really that boring? Well, it seems like opinions are divided. But hey, as a gamer, I'm excited to see what Blizzard has in store for us in the upcoming Season 7. And this is maybe they'll introduce some fresh endgame activities or fine-tune the innovative modes from Season 6 and Vessel of Hatred. And on a lighter note, why did the Diablo player bring a ladder to the game? Because they wanted to take their gameplay to the next level. Okay, maybe that was a bit of a stretch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,